Alright, late night. Alright, we're taking off everything, front timing cover, everything again, just to get the sprockets, because we need those. Mine were broken, if you guys remember. And yeah, that's it. We have it on the air right now. The cherry picker. Someone decided to put Loctite on this damn shit. Damn crank. Oh, gotta use the damn cherry picker legs. Hold on. Come on, nope. We ended up using the leg and the bar in the back. Late night. No vibes. Out of time, out of time. So far we're right here. This is where a whole bunch of parts everywhere. I got a new package. I haven't been waiting that long for this. It's been a week, barely. But from Z1, and we got hoses, first off, because mine are crusty and stuff. Silicone hoses. And we get a blue sticker and what is this? A black sticker? Or a silver sticker? I'm not sure. But these are not that important right now. The hoses are not that important. This is what is important. Let me just get it out. Hang on. This right here is what is important. Let me show you. See that oil pump? Yep, I got a new oil pump because I don't want a little burst from the old one, or actually from either of the two. Either the donor motor or my own motor, because they have burrs in it and metals, whatever you want to call them. I call them burrs because they're little small pieces. Alright, but let me just open this and I'll show you. This is the oil pump, just that I have it in the bag. Okay, popped it out of the bag, the box. Not gonna take it out, not yet. But yeah, that's the only thing I ordered: the hoses and the oil pump. And then that'll basically, I think, conclude for right now the remaining stuff that we need for maintenance and to build up the G again. The motor's quietly sitting over there. But yeah, that's gonna be all for right now, I guess. Ooh. Head work. Hello darkness, my old friend. You got this shit going. Alright, so like we just installed the new oil pump. OEM, new one. So it says Lavar someone. Alright, we painted this, right? I never knew that I had an oil pan spacer, and here's the little spacer gadget right here. That's the little spacer gadget to extend the oil pump feed, which is currently right there. The little let me show you that little thing right there at the end. Little thing right there. Yeah, that. I have to take it off of that oil pump because it's trash. That oil pump. This one's new. Gonna make sure it's new so we can keep using it. Okay. We also put on the, what's this called? The rear main seal. Oh, sure. Let me see. The rear main seal. Here it is. This little thing right here. This little sparkly thing right here. Okay. And then, what else did we put? I think you guys seen that yesterday. Oh, yeah, that was seen yesterday. But yeah. By the way, real quick, because my uncle gets mad sometimes when I record, but the heads are done. They're finished. Didn't record because we actually took them. We didn't end up working on them for big reasons, okay? I'll tell you afterwards. Right now we're building the engine stand so we can put the block back on, and that's it. Here we are. It's already afternoon, but we be out here being professional, right? That should look professional now, shit. But here we go. This is where we came to and got to, man. We're gonna keep going. Still, heads are over there. They're clean now. They're put back together how they're supposed to, and everything is just slapping back everything back together.
I just wanna have it, wanna for myself, for the good time stories. Before I thought I'd die, I was feeling strong. Now I'm getting out of time, out of time, out of time, out of time, out of time. Out of time, out of time. I get drunk all the time. Every day on rewind. I feel good, I feel fine. It's just me and I.
Too much. Got the heads on, whole bunch of stuff on.